Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video we will talk about the affiliate program of FreshBooks. So let me take you to the website, which is freshbooks.com. For the ones who don't know about them, FreshBooks is a cloud-based accounting and invoicing software designed for freelancers, self-employed professionals, small businesses, and service-based teams. The platform helps users manage invoicing, expenses, time tracking, payments, accounting, and financial reporting from a single dashboard. So, what are you waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and if you were looking for a tool like them, go ahead and subscribe to them. You can click on pricing to see the available plans. You might want to start with the light plan and then move to plus premium if you prefer. That's up to you if you want to start utilizing them. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from FreshBooks. How do we do that? We simply join the affiliate program of FreshBooks, start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, the subscribers, we could end up receiving commission. So affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? No restrictions found. So regardless of your location as an affiliate or the location of your consumer or your traffic, you will still be able to receive commission based on the sales and of course the subscribers you bring to them. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down till the footer section of their website, and from here you can click on affiliate program. It will take you to the affiliate program page of FreshBooks. Over here, you can see earn up to $200 per sale. That's very generous, and we shall talk about it shortly. And if you scroll down, you can see earn more for your insights. FreshBooks affiliates have earned more than 5 million in revenue. That's great. And if you scroll down here, how it works, and then you got get the affiliate partner advantage. So you get industry leading commission, dedicated support, exclusive offer, and poaching protection. And then if you scroll down here, you get to see frequently asked question. So anything that isn't covered in this video already, you might want to explore these questions and try to find the answer. Alright, so how do we join the affiliate program? For that, let me take you to the website called Partner Stack. What is Partner Stack and what does that have to do with FreshBooks? So Partner Stack is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of FreshBooks, you must sign up with Partner Stack as an affiliate. To sign up, you simply click on Get Started, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can click on I'm a partner and start the sign up process. Now, Partner Stack calls brands as vendors as well and affiliates as partner or publisher. So don't get confused. Assuming you would have clicked on I'm a partner and it would have taken you to the sign up page, I understand there are many nuances involved in doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Partner Stack affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free Partner Stack affiliate account. Once you have an account with them, you can come to their homepage once again. This time, click on login, complete the authentication or enter your credential, and then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard or publisher dashboard. This is a place where you'll be able to find the affiliate program of different brands out there, not just the affiliate program of FreshBooks, but we're gonna keep the focus of our video on the affiliate program of FreshBooks only. To find the affiliate program, you simply click on Discover Partnerships, which will take you to the Partner Stack Network Marketplace. Over here within the search bar, start typing FreshBooks. From the drop down, click on the name, and then it will take you to the affiliate program information page of FreshBooks on Partner Stack. Once here, you can learn more about them. Let's start with offers and commission structure. So you will earn $10 free trial sign up. That's amazing. And then up to $200 for each paid plan referred. That's very generous. And if you scroll down, you get to see more program related details. Application review time longer than 5 days. you can assume it to be up to a couple of weeks time. Then you can read other things as well. You can click on terms of service to see program terms of the service as well. Then you got program application. Now let's say you read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. You have to fill in all the details in here. So start with country of your residence. I'm just going to go with my country of residence. That's India. You can also select your country of residence from here. Then you got what is your primary promotion channel. You can select from the drop down. Let's say I got content, YouTube, blog, or social media. You can choose the one that suits you the best. Then you got who's your primary audience. You can click on the drop down and choose the one that suits you. I'm gonna go with the mixed one. And then estimated monthly reach across your primary channel. I got between 10,000 to 50,000, so you can enter your reach as well. Then you got how do you plan to promote FreshBooks? Example, blog, newsletter, YouTube, paid media. This is extremely important. This is what helps the FreshBooks to decide whether you're a best suited partner for them or not. So ensure you write something good about you and how do you plan to promote them, basically your business plan. For me, I have already written. I'm just going to copy and paste it in here. Then you got, do you currently promote any other accounting or financial software? If yes, please list them below. For now, I don't, so I'm going to write it no. In case if you're promoting any other accounting software, you say yes and enter the name of those accounting softwares as well. Please share one example URL that shows how you currently promote product or offers to your audience. Well, I got an example here, so I'm going to mention one of the video link in here. You can also enter an example URL. It's important. Then you got compliance. You can click on here and ensure you read it. I confirm that I've reviewed the FreshBooks affiliate program terms and condition. I agree to comply with the FreshBooks affiliate program terms and condition. You can tick mark both the items and then simply click on submit application. When you do that, your application will be sent to the affiliate program team of FreshBooks. They will see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval. As I was saying, you can give them up to a couple of weeks' time. How would you know that you have been approved? You'll be receiving an email from them. And assuming you have been approved, then you'll be able to find them within your program section. So if you click on your programs, you'll be able to see them listed in here as approved. For now, I would still be able to find them, but if I click on it, it will simply say that it's under review. As you can see, FreshBooks, if I click here, let's see what I get to see. Your application was received. So it's asking me to wait. In between, I can click on send a message and I can initiate a communication with them. Now let's say I got the approval, then what? Then I can start promoting them. But to promote them, I can't just take any link from the website. I have to use tracking link. And to create my tracking link, I simply have to come to the affiliate program page of FreshBooks on Partner Stack. I can click on the link section from here, and over here, I will be able to see my tracking link, which I can copy and I can share it with my audience, with my traffic. And if I click on resources, I would be able to see the available assets if FreshBooks is providing it. I can integrate those assets along with my tracking link on my online presence, and this is how I can start promoting them. So like this, you can get your tracking link from the link section and resources from the resources section. So you learned how to get your tracking link or the available assets, but the next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you got the approval from them, you can promote them anywhere on your website, be it homepage, category page, or any other page, wherever you feel like is more suited for your audience, for your traffic. Then you got blog as well. Blog could be good here too. You might want to create blog posts on FreshBooks and ensure you slide in your tracking link as well. This way, when people would read, if they like, they click, they subscribe, you get commission. On your website or blog, you might want to also create content surrounding accounting software reviews, small business finance guides, or invoicing software comparisons. It could work in your favor as well, but ensure you're sharing or integrating your tracking links accordingly. Then we got social media. When we talk about social media, you got YouTube, LinkedIn, X, Facebook. You can use any of these platforms and create a number of content. You can create videos, shorts, reels, and ensure you share your tracking link either in the description or the comments. This way, when people would consume your content, if they like it, they click on the link to subscribe. As usual, you get commission. Then you got accounting website. Now these kind of websites are best suited for brands like FreshBooks. As an affiliate, if you have such a website available, then you might want to feature FreshBooks on your website. And this will allow people to reach your website. If they see them feature, they might explore them, which again will turn into subscribers for FreshBooks and for you, a commission source. Apart from it, the other kind of websites as well, which could be of great use here, we got small business website, finance website, and software as a service website. If you have such a website available as an affiliate, you might want to start promoting FreshBooks on those website of yours. Now, promoting FreshBooks is one thing, but there's a problem most of the affiliates face, and that is getting the right traffic. What's the point of getting the traffic that doesn't convert, that doesn't subscribe? So I have covered top three traffic sources for FreshBooks. The first one you got is YouTube. On YouTube, you could create FreshBook tutorials, invoicing software reviews, accounting software comparisons, etc. But ensure if you're creating these content, you're sharing your online presence or a tracking link of FreshBook directly with your content, either in your description or in the comment. This will help you getting the right traffic to either your online presence or FreshBooks website. Then you got Google SEO. Doesn't matter whatever kind of content you're creating, wherever you're creating, ensure you keep it Google SEO friendly. You might want to target keywords like accounting software, invoicing tools, bookkeeping, and small business finance. Then you got LinkedIn. You could also leverage LinkedIn and target small business owners, freelancers, accountants, consultants, and entrepreneurs looking for accounting solutions. So these are top traffic sources for FreshBook, which stands a very good chance of converting and you getting commission. Now let's say you started bringing performance to FreshBook, started bringing sales and subscribers to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the dashboard once again. I mean the partner stack dashboard. Once here, you can click on reporting. It will take you to the reporting section directly to partnership performance. Over here, you can apply different filters and you'll be able to see the performance by different brands in here. You will be able to see clicks, unique clicks, sign up, paid customers, transactions, revenue, and more details. So you can find the performance for FreshBooks and you'll be able to see it in here. Then you got link performance. You can explore this as well to see how your links are performing. Click on commission to see the bifurcation of the commission and customer preference as well. You can check it out. Now to see your accumulated commission and to receive it, you can click on the commission section from the menu bar. It will take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to see total available funds. And to receive this commission, you can click on setup withdrawal. It will ask you to select one of these payout method. You could go with direct deposit, PayPal, or Stripe. Depending on what you will select, the delivery time will vary and as well as your processing fee will vary too. So let's say if you go with direct deposit, you click here, you have to give your banking details. In case if you go with PayPal, you have to give your PayPal details. And if you go with Stripe, you have to give the related details. And after setting up your payment method, you can initiate the request to receive this commission. And if you scroll down here, you get to see the bifurcation of your earned commission. You have an option to explore these filters. You can click on commission statuses to see which of your commission is already approved and pending payment. And this is the commission you are okay to receive. You can also click on pending approval. These are the commission which are yet to be approved by brands. And then these are scheduled to be approved as well. And here's a list of all the commission you'll be able to see. You can also click on learn about commission statuses for better understanding of the commission. Now for the commission that you have requested to receive, you'll be able to see within the withdrawal section. So all your commission that has been issued to you already, once you click on withdrawals, you'll be able to find them listed in here. So this is how you can update your payment method and expect to receive commission accordingly. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of FreshBooks. You apply to them, you get the approval, start promoting them, start bringing subscribers to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of FreshBooks. And if you have any other question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. Also, as an affiliate, if you want to grow, if you want to learn better, there are some amazing resources that I've created for you. They are free as well as premium resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Simply get any resource that you prefer. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.